Hi, Dree here with CVV Entertainment, and welcome to another episode of my favorite things here in the kitchen. One of my favorite things to drink is tea. This is Turkish tea. If you look here, this is in Turkish and this is apple. And if you've ever been to Turkey, you know that Turkish tea is one of the most popular things to have there. But now I have it in the comfort of my home, and I'm going to show you how I make this. I use a coffee pot, so I've already placed the tea bags inside of the coffee pot, and I already have the water inside here. Let me just go like this so you can see the water is already there. And so the reason why I like to use a coffee pot, and of course you can use a tea kettle, but the coffee pot gets really hot. So inside here, I don't have anything, so the water will simply just filter through, and then you'll see in a few moments that my tea is made. Now I also want to show you another type of Turkish tea that I really enjoy. Here is black Turkish tea. So I have it in this container, but it originally came in a packaging, a Turkish tea bag package, but as you can see, this does not come in the little tea bags that I just showed you. So if you take a look here, you can take a really good look at this, but this is so wonderful. It's so delicious. Let me tell you, when I brew this, it absolutely sends a very relaxing aroma all throughout my home. Really love it. But I'm not making this tonight because I can drink tea any time of the day. I really enjoy it, even in the evenings. But I most likely will make this sometime tomorrow. But with this type of tea, it's very similar to ground coffee, right? And so I actually brew it in the same way that I do coffee with this particular one, where I use a coffee filter. I put this in the coffee filter, and of course I add my water to the coffee pot and brew my tea. It is so delicious. I'm so happy that I found this. I actually ordered this. You can look up Turkish tea on Amazon. That's where I also got these, and I love it. I have to find peach Turkish tea. This is apple. Peach Turkish tea is so good as well. But let me show you what this looks like when it's all done. Not quite done yet, but as you can see, it is brewing right now. The tea bags are there in the bottom, and that extremely hot water is filtering into the coffee pot. Here is the tea. Now, if you want to, you can let it steep a little longer. For the purpose of this video, I wanted to go ahead and show you. Typically, I do let my tea steep for about 20 to 30 minutes to just really to get the flavor, really bold flavor that I like. So it all depends, but this is what it looks like here. Look at that beautiful color. And now, just going to pour this in here. So you just hold it down, and this is very hot. Wow. Okay. I have my creamer here, I have my sweetener here, and so now I'm going to go ahead and put that in. Now it's up to you. I do like to put creamer in my tea. It just gives it, to me, a nice rich flavor. And I'm adding my sweetener now. And there it is. And look at that beautiful color. As you can see, it was such a pretty red color, just like how we see on the packet there. And that is it, my friend. I hope you go and you try out some Turkish tea. Let me know what you think. Here is a bonus. So this word right here that you see is in Turkish, but translated it means from heaven. So to kind of give you an idea of how heavenly this tea tastes, it is so delicious.